Here at the Pleb Lab Bitcoin Accelerator headquarters, our PlebDevs have been hard at work putting together the world's most comprehensive training platform. This educational platform sets the standard for intellectual excellence, technical performance enhancement, and operating superiority. If you're looking to increase your potential as a builder in the Bitcoin ecosystem, our comprehensive guide will prove invaluable. Topics covered include, but are not limited to, hashing time chain discrete log contracts to verify the block height of the genesis of Satoshi Nakamoto's elliptic curve, performing an orange pilling to make Taro the Lightning Network's best multi-script taproot function, selecting an oracle for use in RGB with the Nostra Enigma to custody the KYC, C++ of the Python Java BTC, borking a 2 of 3 signature into a hyperbolic datasheet for compiling an interconnected and decentralized interlinked LAN web of interlocking mycelial area networks, within SATs, interlinked 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 within one block, a fountain podcast played.
You could learn all of this, or you could simply take the Pleb Lab PlebDev course. In it, we'll cover HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and you'll build a real Lightning wallet. You can find it here at pleblab.com/course. Until next time.
Within SATs, interlinked within SATs, interlinked within SATs, interlinked within SATs, interlinked within one block, a verification function.